Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you are new here, welcome you guys. So good to have you. Today I'm going to be making a recipe, strawberry lemonade. It is so delicious and refreshing, and with summer just around the corner, I know spring has not sprung yet, but I thought it would be a perfect time for all of you to share with me this beautiful recipe, strawberry lemonade with lemons fresh from my brother and sister-in-law's tree in California. You guys, look how delicious and huge these lemons are. Seriously, the easiest recipe that you'll ever follow. Okay, you guys, you have to pick 3 large lemons, fresh ones, a citrus juicer such as this one. It's made out of metal, and I had a plastic one before and I totally snapped it in half. I have a superior strength. What can I say? Just grab a handful of strawberries in a tall pitcher. You also need 1 cup of sugar. I have a little less here, but that doesn't matter. You know, you can make it sweeter or more sour, whatever is your pleasure. Also, make sure you get a blender, or I have this handy NutriBullet here. And now all you have to do is slice up your lemons and start juicing them. I poured my lemon juice into a pitcher because I wanted to know exactly how much, so it was about 3/4 of a cup of lemon juice there. So if you guys need a reference, that's just about how much you need. So I used 3 lemons, and you can use a little more or a little less, whatever you have on hand. So now I'm going to slice up all of these beautiful strawberries and stick them inside my NutriBullet and add a little bit of water so that I would be able to mix it up really well. If you guys don't have a NutriBullet or a blender, all you have to do is buy frozen strawberries, thaw them out, and just smash them up with like a potato masher or a spoon. It's super easy, you guys, and it's still going to be really delicious if you don't have the fresh strawberries. Just pour the strawberry puree into your pitcher. Then don't forget your sugar. Now you have to fill up the pitcher entirely with water. I'd leave about a few inches from the top. Now make sure you let your children mix, and your other child. And now you mix it, the final mix, and you'll be ready to pour. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe today. I really had fun making it, and I hope you guys give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell notification. Alright, you guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye!